My name is Aarush. I come from the United States, and I live in a little town called Plainsboro, which is usually pretty calm. I actually take courses in Unbound. I take courses of math with my teacher, Nidhi, and I'm in 4th grade. Yeah, I became very good at like fractions, decimals, and I almost instantly get any like add or subtract fractions. And it takes me like 30 seconds to do like the different denominators and those sort of fractions. Hi, I hope you tutor me for forever, because the teacher I have is like the only good tutor I had. The others like get mad so fast. Nidhi ma'am, I like how you teach me. I hope you stay with me in Unbound tutoring. I would recommend them because like the courses are very friendly and they learn it very fast. And even my friend Avjit is a math master and he goes to Unbound math class. Hey everyone, my name is Aarush and I learned the Let's Unbound math course. I like Let's Unbound because it's very friendly and the teachers are nice. They make you feel very comfortable and make you feel focused at the same time. You learn stuff very fast and it's a very efficient way to learn math.